Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Hotmail account. So if you also want to log in Hotmail account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging into your Hotmail account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in hotmail.com, or you can also type in outlook.com. After that, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Microsoft Outlook. Formerly it was known as Hotmail, but now it is known as Outlook, so do not get confused. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account, simply click on the option create free account. After that, you'll be able to create a Hotmail account for yourself. But if you want to sign into your account, simply click on the option sign in that you can see right over here on your screen. Or you can also click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be redirected to new page. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. All you have to do is enter your credentials over here. You can either enter your email, phone or Skype, or you can also have other sign-in options. Simply click on the option sign-in options. Now after that, you'll be able to see other sign-in options over here. You'll be able to find the options for face, fingerprint, PIN or security key. You can also sign in with GitHub if you want. You can also recover your username if you have forgotten from here. If you want to sign in using your credentials, simply go back. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your email, phone or Skype. Simply provide the email, phone or Skype over here. Now after entering your email, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Hotmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.